Hello guys, right here I'm standing at 2,000 meters above sea level, and ahead of me is just 100 meters to the gate, Mihunga gate, the gate that takes you into Mt Rwenzori. Today I am at Snow Heights Hotel. It's Snow Heights Lodges and Tours, but commonly known as Snow Heights Hotel. It is just at the gate step, like the footstep of Mt Rwenzori. So guys, I wanna take you in there, get a feel of it. If you're coming from Kasese town, it's just 45 minutes if it's self-drive. Yeah, I think 30 to 45 minutes for if you're doing self-drive. So you take Fort Portal Road and then you junction at a place called Sanyaraze. Okay, this is Uganda. You live in Uganda, and this place is called Nyakalingijo. If you did not know, guys, this is one of the top most lodges I know, backpack lodges, and I want you yourself to rate it out just in case you have never been here. All right, guys, follow me, subscribe, and don't forget to hit your notification. Entry tells it all. The entry is super green, everywhere in green, and in the evenings when they have switched on these lights, it's so amazing. Guys, so there are so many options when you are at Snow Heights. One, you can decide to camp. They have some tents and they have a camping ground. So over there, that is their camping ground. Like those clients were camping, and yeah, they were camping. So that is their camping. That is their camping ground. And at the camping ground, you have they also have the bonfire space. They also have a fireplace in their camping ground, so you can camp here. So those people there have been camping. Yes, so you can camp here. It's also like you can also decide to camp here. All right guys, so make sure if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Glazio Adventures. So let's go and see the reception. All right, so what is also special about this place is for me, it's the green. So the entrance, you're going through a wood lot, you're going through a forest, but also like this. Oh, this is amazing. Yes. And the sound of the birds is so amazing. This place is a true definition of nature. a true definition of being in the wilderness. Alright guys, so see you later. So guys, the breakfast is really good. One thing I've come to understand, and I always tell people, is like the Rwenzori coffee, like the coffee from Rwenzori mountains is very strong and very good. So in case you are a coffee lover, you need to try coffees from the Rwenzori.
I do manage this snow ice lodge near the gateway to the mountain Rwenzori, and this is snow ice lodge.
Yeah. So James, I want us to go to the rooms and maybe we can have a few chat, like how much the person needs to pay, if he's coming for accommodation, which kind of accommodation. So guys, right now we are going to the rooms and we get to know how the rooms look like, how much you need to pay if you're coming here. All right, let's go.
Like we said, we named some of these cottages in the regards to Mt Rwenzori. Mt Rwenzori has a wide range of mountains and peaks. So this Edward is one of the peaks in Mt Rwenzori.
How I get it?
Into the mountain. Like I said, this is Edward. So this is, there are four of this setup. Yes, you can come with a family, you can come with okay. People come as a family, without, who doesn't feel privacy, they can have it. If you are like same-sex, free, you can also enjoy.
Oh, like even group.
Even group, yeah.
So guys, this room is called named Edward. The rooms here are customized like depending on the peaks. You know, Mt Rwenzori has a range of peaks. So this room we are in is called Edward, and you can call it a family room, but also it gives advantage to people who are coming in groups. So if you're a group of 5, you can fit in here. Yeah, I think for me it's okay. So how much do I need to pay for this room?
We normally charge according to categories. We have a category of full board, half board, and bed and breakfast. So if you are coming in for bed and breakfast and East African, we charge per person, we charge 150. No, Ugandan shillings.
Oh, Ugandan shillings, 150 Ugandan shillings.
So if you're coming for half board, we charge you 280. Yeah. If you're coming for full board, we charge you 350.
350.
Yeah, and we charge per person, not a hotel.
Not a room. Yes. So guys, that is, I think that is so clear.
So in that category, the bed and breakfast is about 1200. Bed, breakfast in the morning. Then now for the half board, you can decide to choose either dinner or lunch, then bed and breakfast. Then the last one, the full board, all.
So that's the range, 70.
Let's say if you are 2, you pay 700,000 full board.
700,000 Ugandan shillings for East Africans, full board, a couple. If you are single, 350. But if you want bed and breakfast,
150.
150 per thousand per head, like per person. Okay, so they are charging an individual. Yeah, but for me the advantage is like if you are a group and you want to chat maybe in the night, you want to spend the night in one
there
room.
we give a discount. If you have more than 2 free, we give a discount. Even 2 we can give a discount. It depends how you come.
So we are in Uganda. Sometimes you need to talk sweet words to the manager, and then he will understand and gives you a discount. Let's try and get outside and see the view. I like the view already. So if you're a couple, obviously you will sit out here and then you will have a view of River Muguku, and then you're surrounded by nature, and then oh that's beautiful. That's a very beautiful view over here. Is it like the view for every room?
I think this is one which has the best view of all the rooms.
Alright, that's good.
And this side was before you could sit here and watch the Photo Mountain and the Photo Peaks. That's why you see Photo Peaks view. But now because the forest has gone, you cannot.
But also we need the forest. This is beautiful. Also, this is the view you can get when you are in your washrooms. It's the same view you get. It's a little bit darker. That's it. And then they have both warm and cold. It's up to you.
It's hot here and then cold there.
That's nature.
Welcome to Kasese. Those are the ones that you can get. You're missing, guys. You're missing the combination of cold and hot in the same environment. Oh, we're done. This was fun.